Hey guys, my name is Ehsas and welcome back to the Banter Mirror. Hey guys, today we will be talking about the coronavirus vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine. We have all been waiting for this great news and I'm glad to tell you that they are finally announcing the vaccine. This vaccine we are all thankful for. Russia has started this process, Russia actually created a vaccine and now India is following its footsteps. So let's be safe and let's talk about the vaccine. The Serum Institute of India has finally confirmed that we will be able to access the vaccine by this December. You guys heard it right. This December, we will be able to put our hands on the vaccine. It will cost around 250 to 300 rupees. And I can't be more happier than this, because before all this had happened, the vaccine was to be, said ki, 1000 rupees lagenge and stuff, but it costs only 250 rupees so that we can all, be it rich, poor, anybody can purchase this vaccine. Bill Gates and Gavi have both, funded the vaccine and helped the Oxford University in creating this vaccine so that it can cost as less as possible. Thanks to this cooperation, we will be able to manage, we will be able to afford the vaccine at our prices. Behind me, exactly behind me is AIIMS, where 16 human trials will be conducted to test the vaccine on how it's reacting in Indian weather. So that exactly right there is AIIMS. To talk about this vaccine, I'd like to call in an expert. He is an old friend, an old guest, and I'm so glad that he's free right now to do this because doctors are extremely busy. His name is Dr. Shishir Agarwal.
Hello friends, good evening. I am Dr. Shishir Agarwal. And one of my friends has asked me a couple of questions which I will be addressing right now. Is there any hope that vaccine will help people to lingering after effects from the coronavirus? The answer is no. It will only prevent people from contracting the disease. So this vaccine will only prevent from contracting the disease, and it will give some kind of immunity to the patients whom the vaccine will be given. But since the virus is a mutant virus, it has already mutated 24 times. So it is very uncertain to say that it will give the complete immunity to the patient whomever the vaccine is given. Now the second question is, how many doses of COVID-19 vaccine will be needed? Will a booster dose will be needed? So at present stage, what is recommended is that the 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccine is recommended, should be given, and we need to study the antibody response to decide whether the booster is needed or not. So to study the antibody response, a lot of studies are going on all over the country, and it is going on and in different research institutes all over country, in different medical colleges, the research is going on. It has been divided into 3 phases. First phase is over, second phase is going on, and after the third phase is over, these vaccines will be delivered to the frontline warriors, to the high risk people like doctors, paramedical health workers, and all the frontline warriors like police and whoever is getting in contact with the coronavirus.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Indudipa Sinha. Presently, we are facing a grave clinical situation, which is COVID-19 pandemic, which is also affecting our socio-economic condition to a great extent. As this is no specific medication, we are eagerly waiting for the generation of vaccine, which is on its way to be discovered. As we know, a new vaccine has to undergo many phase clinical trial, so it will take a long time to be available in open market. In present scenario, we can assume that the vaccine will be available in open market in later part of this year or early next year. And it will take some more time to be available to the rural population as well. So everything is actually dependent on the clinical progress of the trial and the progress of the experiment as well. So like everybody, I'm also looking forward to the availability of the vaccine, which is the only solution to the grave situation right now we are facing. So stay safe.
Thank you guys for watching this episode. If you like it, please press that like button, press that subscribe button, and turn on that bell notification to never miss another update from me. Please watch my previous episodes as well, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. So till then, be happy, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.